It's available in thousands of variations. It makes our lives easier, faster, more efficient, more connected. It helps us throughout the day and at night. It sets big things in motion and takes us to the very top.
3, 2,
the
1.
button. It's the simplest interface in the world. And yet it can trigger the most complex processes and huge data flows. But how can we benefit from zettabytes of data if nobody understands them? We make these data streams useful, manage complexity, and pave the way into a digital future. We keep it simple so that you simply make it happen.